Hello. I am capital letter B.
Hi, letter B. Nice to meet you.
Hello. I am small letter B.
Hi, small letter B. Nice to meet you, too. Who are you?
I am the big letter B. That's who I am. B, B, B. Let's say B. We are the big Bs. Come learn with us today.
Come on, kids. Let's try. B, B, B. Let's clap our hands to letter B. B, B, B. Let's clap our hands to letter B. Who are you?
I am Brownie, the big, busy, brown bear, in the bush, in brown boots.
Who are you?
I am Benny, the busy bee, buzzing in the bush.
What is this?
I start words like bear.
Bear. Let's say bear. Can you count how many bears you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. What is this?
It's a bicycle.
Can you count how many bicycles you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What can you see here?
A bell. A blue bell.
What can you see here?
The bee is sitting on the blue bell, reading a book. The bell rings. The class is over. Bye.
See you soon.
The big school bus goes beep, beep, beep. The birds twitter squeak. Squeak, squeak. Boys, read their books blah, blah, blah. Girls, float balloons la, la, la. Kids' faces beam. We are happy and clean. Can you count how many bananas you see? Can you count how many books you see?
I see for bananas. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see for books. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. The bat and banana, in big brown boots, are riding their bikes around the bush. Big letter B is riding his bike. He has a big brown bag packed on his back. The bag is full of books. B is wearing brown boots. I'm Brownie, the big busy bear. I like sitting in a bush, eating berries for breakfast from my big bowl. I'm Bruno, the big brown baboon. I like sitting in a bush, eating a bunch of bananas for breakfast and bumping balloons.
B is for bear. Big and brown. B is for balloons, floating up and down. B is for bus, beep, beep, beep. B is for bee. Who buzzes by me? Boy in a boat. Bat in a black coat. Footballer in boots. A bird in the bush.
Can you count how many you see?
Let's count. I can see 2 bats.
That's right.
I can see 3 birds.
That's right.
I can see 3 bees.
That's right.
I can see 4 balloons.
Good for you.
I can see 1 bear.
Good for you.
I can see 4 bells.
Good for you.
I can see 2 balls.
That's right.
What letter did you learn today?
We learned letter B today. Bear, bat, and banana, hooray. See you next time. Don't be late for letter C. It will be great.